Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody is trying to engrave just one or two coasters at a time, which is pretty smart to me, unless you're going to do just a ton of them. But they want to know how they get it into the top right corner of their laser more easily. So let's just say your coaster is, well, here's a little trick we can do. Let's make a coaster and let's make it look like a coaster. So there's your coaster. Let's say I'm going to lock my ratio. Let's say it's a 4-inch coaster. And you want to get it to the top left corner. Well, first of all, your graphic should be a hairline in 4 inches. And you would actually put that in there. And if you have a red dot pointer, this could be very helpful to make sure you get it. But it's kind of hard to get it, even to snap to page. Let's make sure we have snap to page on. We do, but it's kind of hard sometimes to get it to snap to that corner. Well, what you could do after you've drawn out your graphic and I would work in the center of the page and get everything done, all your graphic, make sure it's centered. And then all you have to do is right up here is your object origin. Click, okay, this will only work if your rulers are at 0, 0 right here. And to get that, all you have to do is drag that little box from there and have it snap to that node. Now that you've got that ruler there, you can take and move your object origin to that corner. And then right here, just type in 0, 0 and hit enter. And it's going to put it right there at that top corner. Now, all lasers, and mine probably too, aren't perfectly aligned all the time. So you want to use your red dot pointer to, with your lid open, to make sure that it goes around that coaster evenly. Now, I've got another video, and I think I'm going to link it to this. If you were doing, I had to do a lot of leather ones one day, and I made a jig, and I'll put a link to that video if you were going to do a lot. But if you don't have your object origin on the center, and if you go 0, 0, it's going to put the center of your item there, and you don't want that. So you play, this is probably default. So you want to go right there and click on that box. And then that puts the object origin to this top. I hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching. And look for the link at the bottom for that multiple jig.